Hi, fourth grade, going over your weekly lesson for the week. You will find it in your checkpoints. It will no longer say will in the date. It is going to be within the checkpoints where it is most helpful. So look for that each week, okay? Remember, each Monday. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you are doing. Alrighty, here we are. So this week we are continuing to talk about immigrants, but we're going to look at some immigrants that came to Pennsylvania. So our learning target is I can identify why German and Irish immigrants settled in Pennsylvania, and here is where you'll find the video. So remember, any blue underlined link you would be able to click, and that is what this will look like. So to engage, you're going to go to this map right here. So this is, should look like this probably, but you're going to need to go here to the flash player and click here so that we can see what's going on. Okay. So take a look at Pennsylvania. If you move real slow, you can see. So I live in Blair County. Some of you do as well. And you can see where it says foreign born, the number there, and then the total population of Blair County. So if you remember, this is in 2000. So we are in 2019, but the most up-to-date information that this has is in 2000, okay? So if then you take a look maybe up in Erie County, there are 7,690 immigrants, and the total population is much, much larger. So take a little bit of time and sort of look around, okay? And then it says, what is one thing you notice about the information given? And what is one thing that you wonder once you have looked at that information? It is giving you population of foreign immigrants and the population of overall of the region. Here in the Explore, you're going to read about information of why different groups of immigrants settled in Pennsylvania. And we're focusing on the German and the Irish. So these are two videos that you're going to click out to watch. Okay. I'm sorry, to read. So here's about the German settlement in Pennsylvania. And the Irish. Okay, so they look different, they are different, and please take your time in reading them. And this is a place where you could be reading and taking notes into your student notebook in the Summit platform. Then you're going to watch this video on the German immigrants, and you are going to complete this Ed Puzzle activity. So Ed Puzzles are very helpful, and they are a video. And in this video, you will get some more information and yet another chance to take some notes. Explain, you're going to answer the following question. So identify one reason that German immigrants came to Pennsylvania. Okay, I am actually going to also have you, oh, nope, it is down here. Identify one reason that Irish immigrants came to Pennsylvania. Flipgrids are my favorite. I like to get to see you guys and hear your voice and see your face. So you're going to create a quick Flipgrid here. And I think we've done these before. So remember, the thing with a Flipgrid is it's only 90 seconds. So before you start videoing yourself and recording, make sure you know what you want to say, because sometimes we talk and talk and talk and then the video ends. So you'll log in here. Let's try and take a look. You always log in with your Google, which is your Gmail account, the information you use. So here I am. And if you scroll down, you can see I have one awesome response. Here it is. You may watch it, but you're going to click the plus button to add yours. And then the elaborate this week is just to finish one of the checkpoints. So we learned about some German and Irish immigrants. And if you go here, it should take you where you want to be. Yes. So checkpoint 4 is who lives here. And you can go ahead and fill that out. And then that's something you would also be sending for request feedback. Okay. Remember, it's very important to do the self-assessments. The most important thing is to be answering these questions right into this lesson. It's both for you and for me. And as it becomes a checkpoint, you can then go in, write your answers right here. You should be able to click highlight and done, because you should not be submitting it until you're done completing these activities.
And then you may request feedback within the summit, and then I will leave you feedback, and I will let you know that is how it becomes part of you.
You know, you just got checkpoint 1 grades. In a couple weeks, we'll be doing checkpoint 2 as the marking period will be ending. So this becomes part of a grade, okay? So if you have any questions, please email me or send me a Google Hangout.